Good afternoon, friends. Myself, Madhav Prabhakar Zaigude, a student of Commerce Department. For today's seminar, my topic is Financial Performance of Sri Chhatrapati Rajashri Shahu Urban Cooperative Bank Limited. Introduction. The word cooperation means to work together. Most of the cooperative banks are working for the help of needy people or economically weaker section peoples. Likewise, Sri Chhatrapati Rajashri Shahu Urban Cooperative Bank Limited plays a significant role in promoting the interest of the customers. The bank was established in 5th October 1994 by the people committed to the social cause in the Beed city. Bank has keep a goal of help the economically weaker section people. The bank is having 46 branches all over the Maharashtra, including his head office in the Beed. The bank has made a steady progress in last 26 years. The researcher has been selected this bank with a view to study its financial performance. The statement of research problem. The sound and efficient financial practices are a strategic tool of organizational effectiveness. For that purpose, the researcher is to study how these urban cooperative banks have faced the changes in the policy and what was its impact in the financial performance of the bank. In this background, the problem before Sri Chhatrapati Rajashri Shahu Urban Cooperative Bank offers a statement of a problem. The research techniques. The financial performance is the strategic evaluation of the profitability and financial strength of any business. The most important tool of analysis are through the graph and ratios. For that purpose, we consider the following factors. Number one, the balance sheet analysis. In that, own funds. Second, deposits, which are faith of a member into the bank. Investment, the funds which are invested by the bank. The loans and advances, the funds which are distributed by the bank to the needy people. The profit and loss account analysis. Interest paid on the deposit, which is a major source of expenditure for the bank. Interest earned on the loans, which is a major source of revenue for the bank. Profit prior to the tax, that is a net profit. And last, overall financial analysis with the help of different kind of ratios like the capital deposit ratio, investment deposit ratio, credit deposit ratio, cost of deposit, interest earned on the ratio, net margin ratio. We can analyze the financial performance of the bank. After studying all the 10-year annual report and after analyzing all the aspects of a bank, we can conclude the following points that are some of the major findings are as follow. The number of members are increasing per year. From 2010-11, there are 8,880 members, which are increased up to 18,702 in 2019 and 20. The total deposit in 2010-11 was 24,768 lakhs, which is increased up to 1,10,987 lakhs in 2019 and 20. Like the total deposit, total investment also increased from 9,881 lakhs to 55,185 lakhs in 2019 and 20. The working capital in 2010-11 was 29,968 lakhs, which is increased up to 1,23,969 lakhs in 2019-20. The bad debt recovery ratio in 2010-11 was 1.68, which is increased up to 4.13 in the year 2019 and 20. Likewise, other findings also done. Finally, thanks to UGC HRDC, BAMU, pre-PhD coursework whole team and course coordinator for giving me such a wonderful opportunity for the seminars. Thank you all.